We definitely came with a beat today. So what's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are going to be creating this beautiful look right here that I cheat for you guys. You guys, this is a beautiful soft beat, okay? Today we are doing a soft beat, and I love how everything came out for you guys, and I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing. And if you're liking what you're seeing, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and join me and my lovelies on this journey. Anyways, you guys, let's keep on watching. I'm going to be going in with this new pickup that I did get from Winners. I got this from Winners, and when I seen it, you guys, I was like, no, like all these colors are just super gorgeous. When I seen it at Winners, I was like, no, I have to try out these colors. Like, let me bring it up close for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, look at the whole like color line of this palette. Like, what? Super gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna go in with this shade first, you guys, and this is called Cryptic. Like, tap it in right in there. And just, I'm gonna keep tapping it in just to kind of see what it's giving. But so far it's giving us like a nice, I don't know how to say this, like all my color shades, I'm just like, oh, nice. Brownish, tannish, beigeish, peachy-ish shade. And I'm just gonna keep picking that right in there. I like pat the color on first before I blend it in. And this is my first time ever playing with like a palette purchased from Winners. So I'm just like, I'm kind of like really skeptical about this, but whatever. We already went in with the shadow anyways. I want to go in with this shade called Certain. Certain is definitely giving us like a rose gold shade. It's so friggin' pretty. And that's Certain right there. Ooh. That is definitely giving, okay. I'm just gonna peck Certain just all over the lids because I'm gonna make this look as simple but beat as possible. Okay, so the pigment of Certain is not bad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually not bad. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, and this shade is called Outlaw. I'm just gonna deepen out this look just a little bit. Probably gonna peck it on first. I was gonna keep it as soft as possible, but you guys, I don't know what as soft as possible is because this palette was making me feel very, I don't know how to explain it, because the colors are just so pretty, but I feel like you just have to keep applying so much shadow right on top. I'm gonna go back in with Cryptic, and I'm just gonna blend it in with, what is that, Outlaw, just to kind of soften the look a bit, but blend out everything nice and seamlessly together. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to the face, okay? And I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops. I really love this. I really want to just allow my face to be super hydrated. Let's use my hands quickly. Apply this on. Give us the extra hydration that we need for this lifestyle, okay? I feel like I can deepen out this eyeshadow a little bit more. I gotta keep it decent for you guys, okay? I want this face to just look so good, you know what I'm saying? So today I am gonna go in with the MAC's Pink Pot in Laying Low, okay? And I'm going to cover up my smile lines. So now that we are done that, I'm going to go in. Well, I told myself I wasn't going to show you guys the foundation part, but I am going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, you guys. Love, love, love the packaging. Like, so gorgeous. Looks very rich, okay? Get into that bottom. So I'm going to be going in with Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer in Cream Caramel, and then I'm also going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Butterscotch. The concealer right here, and then I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. And I seen this on like TikTok, you guys. Because I'm probably like, what am I doing? But yeah, I seen this on TikTok. And I honestly was like, no, this is some crazy shit. But then when the person blends out their makeup, I'm like, this is some crazy shit. Let me add a bit to my forehead. I don't really like adding concealer over there anymore, but let me just add like that much. I wanted to like change my makeup routine for a while now. And I was like, if this can be my face, I'm all in. For a new way. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Milani translucent banana powder, and I'm gonna kind of mix it in with the concealer while I'm blending it out. I should have blended out my forehead first. Thank God I have another concealer brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this powder, okay guys, and I'm just gonna, and I don't know how this is gonna do, but I'm just gonna try it out. That with the powder just really made my face feel like it just tightened up my face, my under eye real snug up there. Feels like I got a whole like facelift type of feeling. Go in with like a lighter concealer. You know, just to give us like a little bit of a brighter look. Do you guys see how fast that is like blending out and like sucked underneath the eyes? My goodness. So, I'm trying to think if I should go in with cream contour or if I should just say forget a cream contour. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Forward Concealer, and this one is in Truffle. And that's how Truffle looks, you guys. It's a nice dark rich chocolate. I'm just gonna add a bit here and a bit here. And I'm just going to blend it out and then bring it upwards. So I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Powder in the number 420. It's giving us like a very nice, light, rich tan color. And I'm just going to apply some of that right here to the areas that we did not add all that concealer. We getting that, I feel like adding a little bit more. Because honey, we definitely getting that filtered face. Okay. And we are definitely going to be bronzing up the face with the Sephora Pro Face Palette. I'm going to be going in with Jet Setter. Okay, give me a bit of something, something. Well, I want to like touch everywhere, so this talk to me nice. Hey guys, so this is kind of close to the look, kind of, not really, but I'm gonna just pop on the eyelashes real quick and I'm gonna be right back. Lashes is on, you guys. No, look at the beat though. Talk to me nice. I know you guys love these lashes. Are so freaking pretty. I think these are my favorite lashes right now, but they're so freaking pretty. I can't wait to, you know what I'm saying? I feel like we're gonna add a bit of some blush. I'm not gonna go too dramatic with it. I was gonna add bottom lashes, but no, I'm feeling like this is a go. I do want to add blush. Okay, I feel like the perfect blush will go amazing with this look right now. This is a Milani Coral Cove Rose Powder Blush in number 5, you guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous blush. So you see how my cheeks is looking kind of cheeky right there. I'm just gonna add a bit of that just right there. You know what I'm saying? It really just complements the look even more. And we're gonna do the lips. Now for the lips, I'm really stuck on what I really want to do for the lips. I'm definitely gonna go in with this Milani Easy Liner Retractable Pencil in the color Sugar Plum. Hopefully it's a really, really nice lip liner. This is legit looking like, oh, this is really nice. No. Like, oh my god, Milani. Okay, Milani, you guys, I think you guys should get this liner. I don't remember how much it costs. I did get this at Walmart though, but baby, when I say it is lining, and there was other colors though, but I'm like, I don't know if it'll look good on me. But then I got this one, Sugar Plum, and now it's making me feel like I need to grab the rest of them. So I'm definitely gonna do that. And it's a drugstore lip liner. Like, you guys, Milani has been doing their thing. As you guys can see, I've been going in with Milani all day through this whole tutorial, okay? Milani, the blush, Milani, okay? Milani. This is a, what is this? I think this is Maybelline Pure Nude Matte Lipstick. I think I'm gonna go in with a bit of this.
Hold a breath.
Ooh, you guys, yep, this combo is definitely giving us a vibe. My sister just came in. She's like, oh my god, this technique, you look like a doll. You look different. I'm just like, yes, ma'am. Talk to me nice. I really love how I'm looking right now. I look like a legit Barbie doll. I'm going to be adding this, what is this? This e.l.f. Lip Plumbing Gloss in Peach Bellini. That's how Peach Bellini looks. Just gonna go right on top of that. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Gold Deposit. We looking too good, but guess what? I thought I was done the whole look, and I forgot a finishing spray, finishing certain type of mist, type of, you know, shebang. So I'm gonna go in with this Milani Make It Last setting spray. You guys already know how much I'm loving this spray so far. It's amazing. Let me just show you guys up close. I just want to make sure you guys get a chance to look at this up close. It is so freaking gorgeous. let's not even talk about what it just did to the face. Like, oof, gives my makeup this whole type of boost, you guys, that I feel that you guys will love. You guys should get this spray, okay? The finishing of it is no word of a lie. Like, no word of a damn lie. I love this so much. So much. I definitely love how everything came out for you guys. I feel like this was nice and soft. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below if you guys are loving this soft beat. So my loves, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And join me and my lovelies on this journey. And you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.